Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Yamaha RX-V385 5.1 channel 4K AV receiver, which is a mid-range unit that promises solid surround sound, 4K HDR support, and a Bluetooth connectivity. So if you are building or upgrading a home theater in 2026, you can check out the product link in the description box below. So the Yamaha RX V385 is a 5.1 channel AV receiver designed for the immersive surround sound. It supports 4K Ultra HD pass-through with HDR 10, Dolby Atmos and BT 2020, ensuring compatibility with the modern TVs and streaming devices. You are going to get 4 HDMI inputs and 1 HDMI output along with the Bluetooth streaming, which makes it very easy to play the music directly from your phone or a tablet. While it doesn't offer the built-in Wi-Fi or advanced streaming apps, the Bluetooth keeps the things simple and reliable. Now, one of its key features is the YPAO auto calibration technology. During the setup, YPAO is going to measure your room's acoustics and adjust the speaker levels and the timing automatically. In the real world testing, the calibration process was quick and noticeably improved the sound balance. However, some rooms may still require minor manual tweaking. For the movies, the receiver delivers a strong, immersive surround sound experience, especially in the action scenes and dialogue heavy content. The soundstage feels very wide and detailed for a receiver in this price range. Music playback via Bluetooth is also clear, though audiophiles may prefer wired connections. On the downside, there were occasional HDMI handshake hiccups requiring a quick reset. Also, the only 4 HDMI inputs connectivity might feel limited for the users with many devices. The built-in quality feels very solid and durable, typical of Yamaha's reputation for reliability. So, if you are looking for a reliable mid-range 5.1 receiver with 4K HDR support and simple Bluetooth streaming, it can be a solid choice for you. Just keep in mind the limited inputs and minor HDMI quirks. So if you want to check this out, the product link in the description. Thanks for watching.